Hi friends! Today video about DOOGEE T20 tablet.
A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase.
DOOGEE is already preparing for the T10's successor after starting sales of its fierce tablet. The DOOGEE T20 has a faster CPU, a larger screen, twice as much storage, and a better resolution than its earlier sister. The front camera is 8MP, while the back camera is 16MP. Green, blue, and grey are among the color options for Android OS 12. Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11a, B, G, N, AC, and GPS, with Beidou, a GPS, a GLONASS, a Galileo support. A SIM card plus a TF card or 2 nano SIM cards. TUV Rheinland certification for Widevine L1 and low blue light. The battery capacity is 8,300 mAh and the charging speed is 18W. The new tablet will have a few notable enhancements over the DOOGEE T10, making it an enticing alternative for those willing to pay a bit extra for more functionality. The tablet will initially have a slightly larger 10.4-inch display than the T10, with a 2K resolution rather than the FHD Plus resolution of the T10. The display has Widevine L1 and TUV Rheinland low blue light certifications. A Unisoc Tiger 616 chipset will be used in the gadget, and it will include 256 GB of UFS 2.1 storage. While the rear will include a 16MP camera for taking images, the front will feature an 8MP camera for video chats. The gadget will accept 2 nano SIM cards, or SIM plus TF card, and the operating system will be based on Android 12. The tablet's large 8,300 mAh battery has a quick charging capacity of 18W. The tablet, charger, data cable, SIM card removal pin, user guide, capacitive stylus, and TPU leather cover are all included in the normal retail box. Through a docking plug-in interface, the DOOGEE T20 enables connecting to an external keyboard. However, the keyboard or keyboard case must be purchased separately. Sadly, there is no 3.5mm audio jack. On December 22nd, the first 500 units will be offered at a special price of $149. After then, the cost will increase to $179. However, different discounts will still be available depending on the seller. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for